Behold, the last Butterfinger in the whole house, and I have it.
Dad says no teasing.
Na 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 na. Whoa! Check out the smooth, chocolatey outside, the crispity, crunchity, peanut buttery inside.
Dad says if you make a scream, you're dead meat.
You wouldn't scream.
Now what?
Never mind.
Nobody better lay a finger on my Butterfinger.
Hey, paper baghead!
Oh, man. I'm dead meat on a stick.
How much money you got, Simpson?
$1.03, Mr. Bully, sir.
Keep a change.
Thanks, man.
Think I'll take that Butterfinger, too.
Think again, Nelson.
Get a crispity, crunchity, peanut buttery burst in every bite of Butterfinger.
Nobody better lay a finger on my Butterfinger.
My little buddy's sleeping like a baby. He won't mind if I take a bite of his crispity, crunchity peanut.
I told you, Homer. Nobody better lay a finger on my Butterfinger.